Today, we are going to learn more of our alphabet. Hello everyone! Welcome to Learning with Loz. I'm Loz and I'm so happy that you're here. Would you like to learn and play together? Fantastic! Today, we are going to learn more of our alphabet. Are you ready? Then let's go. The next letter in the alphabet is this one. This is the letter G, but it makes the sound G, G. Can you try and say G? Great job. Now, G is for grapes. Look at these juicy grapes. Let's practice our sound one more time. G, G. Well done, everyone. Our next letter is this one. This is an H, but it makes the sound If you hold your hand, you can breathe and feel your breath. Can you try and make the sound? Well done. Now, is for heart. Can you say heart? Great job. Our next letter is this. This is an I, and it makes the sound I, I. Makes me sound like a squeaky mouse. Can you have a try? I, I. I like that sound. Well done. I is for igloo. Looks a bit chilly in there. You are doing so well. That's 3 new letters. Shall we go back and look at what we've learnt? Okay. Our first letter was G, and this makes the sound G, G. Good memories. Our next letter was H, and this makes the sound Well done. And our last one was I, and this makes the sound I, I. Good job. Shall we move on to our next 3 letters? Okay, are you ready? Our next letter is this. Now this is a J, but it makes the sound J, J. You have a try of that one. J, J. Well done. Now J is for jellyfish. Can you wobble like some jelly on a plate? That's good. Well done. I like that. Our next letter, this one. This is a K, but it makes quite a funny sound. It makes a k, k sound. Can you try that? K, k. That's very tricky. You did so well. Now, k is for king. A king with his crown. Good job. Our last letter for today is this one. Now this is an L, but it makes the sound ul, ul. And we have to see our tongues. Can you try? Ul, ul. Well done. Now this is a special sound because my name starts with this sound. Ul is for Loz, but it is also for lollipop. Can you try and say lollipop? Let me see your tongue. Lollipop. Well done. Now, shall we practice those last 3? Okay. We had J, which makes the sound J. Well done. We had K, which makes the sound K, K. Good job. And our last one is an L, which makes the sound ul, ul. Wow, that is amazing. We have added 6 more sounds to our alphabet. Shall we run through all 6 sounds just to check that they're in our brains? Okay, are you ready? Let's see what you can remember. We started with G. This makes the sound G for grapes. Then we had H. This makes the sound which is for heart. Well done. This is an I, which makes the sound I, which is for igloo. Did you remember? Of course you did. Then we had a J, which makes the sound J. I'll give you a clue. Jellyfish. Did you guess? Well done. This one was a K, made that tricky sound. Well done. Was for king. Did you remember that? Well done. And our last one, I'll give you a clue. This was an ul. It's our letter L, which is for loz or lollipop. Oh my goodness. I am so proud of all of you because that was such hard work today. So now we have 12 letters from our alphabet from our other video. And if you come back soon, I'll put another one up and we can learn 6 more. Maybe make sure your grown-up has subscribed for us. Okay, see you next time. Bye.